If you're living in or traveling to the UAE and wondering how to download and use a VPN, this guide will walk you through it step by step. Many people in the UAE use VPNs for online privacy, security on public Wi-Fi, remote work, and accessing websites or services that may be restricted. First, let's clear something up. VPNs themselves are not illegal in the UAE, but how you use them matters. Using a VPN for legitimate purposes like protecting your data, securing public Wi-Fi, or business use is generally allowed. However, you should always confirm that what you're accessing complies with local laws and that the service you're using allows VPN connections. It's a good idea to review the terms of service of any platform or contact their support to be 100% sure. Now, here's how to download a VPN in the UAE. The easiest option is to download a trusted VPN before arriving in the UAE. But if you're already there, you can still do it safely. For this guide, I'll use NordVPN as the example, since it's well known for strong security, fast speeds, and reliability in restricted networks. Start by opening your browser and going to the NordVPN website using the link in the description. The website is usually accessible, but if it isn't, you can also download NordVPN from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store on mobile devices. Create your NordVPN account, choose a plan, and download the app for your device. NordVPN works on Windows, macOS, Android, iOS, and even routers. After installing, open NordVPN and log in. You will see a list of countries and servers, then connect to a nearby server outside the UAE for better speeds, such as Europe or Asia. Once connected, your internet traffic will be encrypted and your real IP address hidden. This helps protect your privacy, especially on public Wi-Fi in cafes, hotels, airports, or malls. VPNs are also commonly used to access websites that may be blocked in certain regions. But again, you should always make sure the service you're accessing allows VPN use. If the VPN doesn't connect right away, try switching servers or enabling obfuscated servers if they're not already on. This usually solves connection issues in the UAE. So that's how you can download and use a VPN in the UAE. It appears to be totally legal when used responsibly, but you should always confirm local regulations and the terms of service of the platforms you use. VPNs are an excellent tool for privacy, security, and safer internet access when used correctly. By the way, if you want to try NordVPN at a discounted price, I've included a link in the description that takes you directly to this limited time offer. It also comes with a 30-day, no questions asked money-back guarantee, so there's zero risk in trying it out.